So you have a Fitbit Luxe, and when you go ahead and flick your wrist, the display is not turning on. It's probably not turning on because you don't have the screen wake option on. So what you want to do is, first let's go ahead and turn it on. We'll double tap it. And now from here, what you want to do is just scroll down. So we're going to scroll down, down. Oops. There it is right here. It says screen wake. You see that it says it's on manual. So what we got to do is tap it, and now it's on auto. Okay. So now, once it's off, voila. I'll do it again for you. Let's go. It's off right now. Good luck.